Alright, as I was saying before the GoPro died, we're gonna try and finish up this dirt bike here today. We're gonna hope to God that it runs. Here's the spring. Alright. This is all a mess. Jeez peasy. Okay, we gotta go clean this out. And by clean out, I mean so basically, this is an XR200, and lost the air mixture screw to it. Ended up just getting a new carb because the old one was pretty much shot anyway. So yeah, so I have you on a hat mount, and I'm not sure how well this is gonna end up working, but you know, we can hope that it works decent. Went from being 80 a couple days ago to now being 45 degrees. That's working. Perfect. Ow! Okay, knee gave out there first. Now, we're gonna go out into the light here and make sure everything looks good. Like I said, looks good. This is new bottom part, a new bowl, and everything inside the top throttle body is brand new. All the needles, all the jets, everything in there is brand new, except for the actual frame. So everything on this is new. All right, we got some liquid wrench, and we're just not gonna go crazy, but just enough to make it more slippery in there, so that way when we get it together, it slides much better. And the only reason I'm doing this, I normally wouldn't, but this carb has been sitting in a moist barn for about 3 months, which is not good. But then I rebuilt it just yesterday or the day before. I'm gonna spray just a little. That was too much, god dang it. Liquid wrench is flammable, right? Probably. It may run a little weird for a little bit if it runs, but well, actually, before we do that, we're gonna put on this. So, I hate working on dirt bikes so much. These loosely. Oh, shoot. What the hell? Okay, now this does the thing. That's tight now. Make sure. Yeah, there's definitely. Oh, shoot. Get that put on. Also, I need my magnetic flashlight. I don't have it. Because that would be too easy. Alright, that's gonna leak like. Not terribly. Actually, that's quite surprising. Now, go get spark plug socket. Hit like a. Alright, found my sockets. Decided to bring them all because if I bring one, it's not the right size. I think it's 5/8, but yeah, that's gotta be, yes. Fine. Oh. Well, that ain't gonna work, Chief. What the heck happened here? She's indeed not stuck. Alright. Should be ready to take you off. Alright, so basically, it's definitely, it kind of wants to go, but not quite because, well, I don't really know why, but I think I could get her to start here, but I'm just giving it a little break because I kicked it probably like 35 times. So now we're going to go work on getting a tire on a plow. Get ready to sell it. Two, three, four, six bolts and nuts to hold on, lug nuts to hold on the wheel. So now we got these, we'll put these in there. Obviously, it's wet, but it's really wet. Alright, here's the plow. It's an Oliver 101 Plowmaster. Super rare. So I'm gonna, it's in like, this is original condition. You know, it's got, everything works perfectly on it. I mean, this thing is pretty cool. It's original paint. Like, that's the thing. This paint is original and it looks decent. Let's go find a block of wood, I guess. Brick. Gosh. That was pretty stupid. Alright, so we got this chain thing rigged up here, hooked up to the 3-point of the Super 55. And we're gonna see if we can... Oh yeah, that works pretty good actually. Now... Alright, this is 100% not safe what I've done here. For many reasons. This might be the most redneck thing you see today. We got the golf cart with a giant metal hitch thing on the back, blocked up so it doesn't roll up to the tire here, and then another cinder block against those cinder blocks. It's gotta like deserve a Darwin Award or something, I don't know. We're gonna see if it'll hold. Oh heck yeah. It's holding. We got the plow all put back together. now we gotta go put the tractor away. Very wet right now. Although it's not terrible once you get up top here a little bit more. Now we're only making minor tracks. That battery box is what's squeaking. It's really not the belt or anything, it's just that battery box. I'll have to figure out how to silence that, or make it quieter at least. Oh, 208 hours just rolled over. So this thing only has 208 hours since the engine rebuilt. Well, actually, it was a whole tractor rebuild. Everything was done, including well, everything. I mean, like transmission, engine, hydraulics, everything was gone through and repaired and restored. And this paint is the only thing that was not done when it was apart. And that's because the paint is pretty good on it from when another guy painted it before he got it. So the paint's a little older, but it's still pretty good. It's chipping in some areas, but I use this tractor, so I don't care a whole lot. Look how slow she idles. That's 500 RPMs. Pull her in gear. Now we're down to less than 400. That's crazy. Well, thanks for watching the video today, guys. Really appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.